Hello and welcome to this short video on how to schedule firmware updates for Brother devices directly from the touchscreen. If, however, you would rather learn how to do this from your device's internal web server, why not check out my other video? There's a link to it on the screen. Alternatively, if you would like me to show you how to use our fleet management utility BRadmin to schedule firmware updates to multiple devices, I have posted yet another link on the screen to another video of mine. You can also find both links in the description. Please note that your Brother device requires an internet connection to receive firmware updates. Let's get started. From your Brother device, press the All Settings button. Then find and press the Machine Info button. From here, press the Firmware Update Setup button. Right now, my device is configured not to search for and install new firmware automatically. This might be the preferred option for organizations that want to control the delivery of new firmware. Let's see what the other options are. AutoCheck will alert administrators and end users when new firmware is available, but won't automatically install it. As the name suggests, AutoInstall will automatically install new firmware as and when your Brother device discovers it. I will now press the Auto Install button to show you how to configure a schedule. But before I can, I need to read and acknowledge this information message, as well as this one, which will take me to this screen. From it, I am now going to set a schedule to install any new firmware only on a Friday morning between midnight and 1 AM, simply because nobody is in the office during this time. Of course, you can set your schedule to meet your own requirements. I will begin by pressing the Update Days button. And based on my requirements, ensure that Friday is the only day selected. I will now press the OK button to confirm this, and move on to configuring the time by pressing the Update Time button, where I will configure the schedule to only install firmware between midnight and 1 o'clock in the morning. Please note that you need to use the 24-hour clock format. To confirm this, I will press the OK button. The schedule is now ready. I can now press the Home button to go back to my device's home screen. But why are firmware updates important? We believe they are because new vulnerabilities, threats and bugs are discovered all the time. Many of them are subtle, meaning they go undetected for days, weeks, months, and even years. To draw your attention to this, did you notice the intentional subtlety throughout this video? I slowly changed the colour of this banner. Feel free to rewind the video to see this change for yourself. As always, thank you for watching.